Hello guys, Venomnesion here with another Beyblade unboxing. As you can see, I got a bag from Target right here. And I got a couple Pokemon card packs. It's not important. But my main find is Hades Kerbecs. Now where I live, normally when you go to Target, all you find is Galaxy Pegasus, Earth Virgo, and Race Striker. And that's only every once in a while when you find Race Striker, so yeah, we don't have very much, yeah. Anyway, stamina type, base, clear wheel, metal wheel, all that. There's a little card, ripcord and launcher. Here's the back. It says 2 ways. Because you know you can put it in boost mode or the whatever the hell that other one is. And there we go, just do it like that. And everything falls out. Yeah. There we go, recording launcher. Tool should be in here. Now, why Hasbro? Why did you call it Hades Kerbecs, not Hell? Means the same thing, but still, it's kind of just stupid. And you call Unicorn Striker. I don't know what's wrong with Hasbro at all. Oh well, they still make good bays every once in a while. Depends. Alright, there's the face, Kerbecs, clear wheel, Kerbecs, metal wheel, Hades, or Hell. But it's Hasbro, so it's Hades. Spin track. I would keep it in, if I were you, I'd keep it in boost mode, so it's like that. Because if you put it in the other mode, hold on, I'll show you that. Kind of hard to pop it out. Unless you're doing like a gravity Perseus with this tip and, not tip, with this spin track and a flat performance tip, don't do this. That absolutely sucks. Only use that if you're doing combos with RF or MF or RS. Just some advice there. Okay, and the tip DS. DS is one of the only sharp tips I think are actually worth anything. I don't like sharp tips, they just knock the Beyblade off balance, really. Let's put this all together. Okay, alright, we're good. There it is all together. Hades Kerbecs, BD145DS. Launcher, ripcord, stickers, all that jazz. Anyway guys, thank you guys for watching. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.